Happy Vlogmas and welcome back to my channel. So we are like very close to Christmas and I still have a few presents that have just arrived. Actually I have one present that I'm still waiting to arrive. I'm a little bit nervous, but I have some extra presents that have not been wrapped, so I thought I would do a little wrap with me video. Walter is shaking the camera. He's sleeping by the fireplace. This needs to be done before Christmas Eve. So the last few gifts I have, if you are family, do not watch this video. I'm warning you, or else some of you may know what you're getting, so don't watch this. So we have this sparkle beverage set, which I'm actually really in love with, and I think it's better than the Soda Stream. And then it comes with all the carbonation packs, which is really cool. I have a little brow set. I have to wrap this, come on, Apple TV. Some fizz sticks. Then I have a makeup palette that's going to be wrapped, and I have to gift this to somebody because it is like my favorite product of 2019. So that's just the last little bit. I mean, I'm waiting for one last thing, but obviously it's not here. So let's finish wrapping, get this all ready for Christmas. For wrapping, I have this really cute plaid paper. And what I love about it is that it actually has like a grid on the inside, so it's easier to cut. And then I got this cute little string that I haven't used yet, and then I have a few bows. If you don't know, I used to wrap gifts professionally, semi-professionally, so it's very cathartic to me. Usually I use double-sided tape, but I have just not been, oh no, oh there it is, on my game. Found it. And I'm just using the regular Scotch tape, scissors. That's pretty much it. The double-sided tape is really just so you don't see any tape lines, but this Scotch tape, the purple kind, does a really good job on concealing them. So let's get going.
Christmas is my favorite time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.